just trying to survive. But now I know why we say that there's a better place that waits beyond the grave. Oh, and I know it's not true. There's just no more you. But as long as there's no proof, then I choose to believe that we'll meet in sweet dreams after